Yeah, it's time for a book haul and a scary fact. We're doing this again. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I am Richard. This is Richard's channel. I have an itchy nose. I'll let you know. And once again, I am dealing with another fact and book haul. Today, of course, I am bringing you a fact from 365 Facts That Will Scare the S Out of You, 2019 edition. We pull the cover off. We tear our fact out, face down. Put that back. And we have May 24th. Because humans close their eyes reflexively when sneezing, if you sneeze while driving on the highway, your eyes will be closed for a span of about 50 feet. Oh, okay, feet. A lot can happen in 50 feet, very little of which is good. Justin W.M. Mayer, When Sneezing Kills, The Washington Post, June 18th, 2014. All right, yes. Reasonably scary indeed. What is also scary is the amount of trash in our oceans. 4Ocean is trying to change that by selling these bracelets. Each one of these bracelets sold will pull a pound of trash out of the ocean. I will buy one of these bracelets for every thousands of subscribers I get. So you can go to 4Ocean and help the cause, or you can do something for free and comment, like, and subscribe, and share this with your friends. Now, on to my books for the day. I am, of course, cataloging my books so that I can reread them in some kind of reasonable order. And if I read all of my books again, I will likely not be so stupid. All right, so more scary stories to tell in the dark, collected from folklore and retold by Alvin Schwartz, drawings by Stephen Gamble. Okay, hopefully I have the first one of these somewhere. I haven't come across it yet, but I do recognize this cover. This came out when I was in high school, and the kids loved it. So we put this here. Okay, and then we have An Introduction to Descriptive Linguistics, Revised Edition. Linguistics looks like a very old and important book, and you know, Tolkien was a linguist. So, yes, interesting. Yeah, okay. So, Beyond Jabaz, Expanding Your Borders, Bruce Wilkinson with Brian Smith, from the New York Times best-selling author. When people passionately pray, God doesn't just listen, He responds. Are you ready? Because God is still moving and asking you to do the same. Religious book? Oh. Princess Diana? The picture of his son from 2000. Oh dear. Hell. Yes. Sometimes when you get a used book, you get a surprise. This is my time to get a surprise. Yes. All right. Maybe I'll be able to find that person on the internet and return their book to them. Or their picture, anyway. Pretext, a journal of retold theory, histography, and the histories of rhetoric. 1, revisionary history, 1987, spring, summer. I guess it's a logic book or a philosophy book. Will require further. Will require being read. So, and then finally for today we have Heretics of Dune by Frank Herbert. So, yes, this is the book that in Iraq someone said, no, it's not a giant dong. Stop saying it's a giant dong in the desert. And every other soldier goes, man, you have a book with a giant dong in the desert on it. It's so telling. Anyway, so there are my books for the day. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. I, of course, am Richard. Danger, Ducky says, I compute that you should comment, like, and subscribe.